What numbers cannot be arranged evenly in at least 2 rows? What are the factors of these numbers? So I'm going to show you a few examples, and then I would like you to come up with a few of your own examples. So we're looking for numbers that cannot be arranged evenly in at least 2 rows. So let's take a look at 1. There's no way we can make at least 2 rows even with 1. So 1 is one of those numbers. Now let's look at 2. Those aren't really rows, that's one column. So this is also one of those numbers. Finally, let's look at 3. We can put 2 here and 1 here, or 1 up here and 2 down there. But these are not 2 even rows, so 3 is also one of those numbers. 4. With 4 we can do 2 here and 2 here, so those are 2 even rows. And that's about the only way we could arrange that number. So 4 is not one of those numbers. Finally, let's look at 5. 5 can be, you could put 2 up here and 3 down here, or 3 up on the first row and 2 in the second row, but those are not 2 even rows because we have different numbers of dots in each row. So 5 is also one of those numbers. So you want to come up with a few more examples and explain what kinds of numbers are these. You'll recognize them when you factorize them. What do their factors have in common?